Hi, Attorney Shivick back again with you on a consumer blog series. Today we're going to talk about Massachusetts and how much fun it is to have in the summer. And when things take a turn for the worse, whether you're at an amusement park or carnival, festival, or other place where they charge you money to bring you in and have a good time, they owe you the highest duty of care. They want to make sure that if there's a hot dog that fell and they have people going around the park that clean those things up, that they should have probably picked that thing up before you slipped on it. If that's an issue that you ran into, you should log on to shivicklaw.com, shoot me an email, we'll take it from there. Additionally, there was one time I was at a park and I saw an individual get injured coming off of a roller coaster, and within seconds or minutes there was people from the park trying to get them to sign something. I didn't get a chance to see what it was. The person, I didn't get a chance to consult, but at the same time there were people there trying to get them to sign something while they were receiving medical attention. And before you sign anything, you should talk to an attorney if you've suffered some kind of medical injury. Sometimes it can be a light medical injury. You go to the hospital, you're checked out, you're released. Sometimes it gets more substantial. In the case of the notorious Action Park in New Jersey, they ended up shutting that place down. A few people ended up getting injured really bad. There's a few deaths that occurred there. It's very serious stuff that can happen when things go wrong at an amusement park or a festival or carnival or any other type of water park or anything like that. It was so much fun. I've gone to all those places my whole life, and God willing, no problems. But in case it does happen, trains come off tracks, that type of stuff does happen. And it's not something that should happen. So if you're being brought into a place for money, you're owed the highest duty of care, that's for sure. You'd never want to sign anything that is thrown right in your face, especially right when you're injured, before you talk to a lawyer, especially if it concerns your rights. So read anything you ever sign. That's a matter of fact no matter what. But if you're injured at an amusement park or a carnival or a festival, people are approaching you trying to get you to sign something, it's usually a very bad sign. And what you should do is log on to shivicklaw.com, send me an email, and let me know what happened. Just give me an idea of what the breakdown was, what the date was, what happened, who you are, and where this happened, and what the circumstances were. And sometimes things don't really work out the way you thought they would work out. Maybe it's your own fault. But sometimes if it's the fault of the carnival worker or anyone like that, I think there's reasons that you should consider logging on to shivicklaw.com. Make sure that you send an email. Give me your name and your contact info, of course, and we can take it from there. We can consult. I give a free consultation on something like this, try to see if it's something that we should pursue. But in any case, don't sign anything. If there's something odd that happened to you at an amusement park or one of these fun establishments, make sure you log on to shivicklaw.com, and I'm happy to go through your situation with you and make sure that your consumer rights are being protected under Massachusetts law.